we pride ourselves on our technology and have a great IT staff with developers but we're not in the business of building a contract administration system. That's not our focus. So if we're going to embark on that and spend a significant amount of our time and resources on that, we're really hurting the rest of the business. It's just not what we're in business to do. So which brings us to buying. Several pros to just buying or partnering with a company like PCMI. Implementing it is relatively quick and easy. And one of the things that attracted us to PCMI is that they had already taken clients that were on the legacy system that we were on and brought them over to PCMI. So they understand the database, they understand the structure, and so that should be a lot easier. So that was very attractive to us. We also liked that PCMI offered to handle the majority of the training. Now, we still had to do some, of course, but there was a lot of training that was offered for claims and all the various modules within the system. We were very attracted to the fact that it's designed for our industry and can handle the majority of what we do. Not everything. Every TPA is a little bit different, but for all the custom the normal products that are sold in our industry, PCRS can handle almost all of them. In fact, there are several products that we don't sell yet that PCRS can handle. So someday when we get to the point where we want to offer those products, we don't have to then go worry about learning the process and designing a technology tool to handle that. It's already in there, and PCMI will show us how to use it. So that's a big advantage. Relatively low upfront costs. Of course, there are some costs in converting, but all in all, it was really similar to what we had been used to spending. So it really wasn't a hit on the budget. It's just a predictable cost. Another benefit is that in our demos, we did several demos before we decided to buy, and we saw many features that our system did not have that we thought, you know what, that could make a difference for our team. That could speed things up or make us more accurate. So that was nice. The last two are probably the most important. We saw system stability. We focused a lot and asked for your data on show us your uptime, show us what issues you've had. And what was shown to us is fantastic uptime, that the system really is always up. I actually recall you guys were kind of confused when we asked about how much downtime you had. And you showed us your numbers, and sorry to fast forward sneak peek, but the system has been incredibly stable. So we'll talk about that a little bit more, but we've been blown away by that. And then the platform as a service, that bottom one, this is what I talked a little bit about before, where it's really important to us that we have all these technology systems on the side. We want them to seamlessly connect with our base, with our home base. So Mark and Greg really talked to us about this idea of platform as a service, where you guys, hey, go continue to build those systems, innovate, take care of your customers with these cool features. We will make sure they connect seamlessly to our system in real time so that it's not a hurdle for you guys anymore. It's just going to be easy, and you can focus on building whatever you want. And we'll talk about some of the results of that in a minute. So I guess the cons would be that they might not have all the features that we're used to on our legacy system. There's less flexibility because it is a system that's designed for more than one TPA, so we don't have direct control over building it to fit our exact processes like we would if we built a system our own. And there aren't really substantial cost savings in the long run. But like I said before, it's going to be similar to what we were used to.
So a couple of comments for the people that are new, maybe some of the people who signed on aren't really familiar. So PCRS is the name of the PCMI software package. PCMI is the name of the company. We call it Policy Claims Reporting Solutions, right? And then we have some customers who want to put a big emphasis that they want to be able to write on top of our software, get direct access, real-time access to contracts and claims. We call that our PaaS solution, where you sort of use us as a base and you can build on top of us. Some of our customers strictly use our SaaS solution where all the screens are already developed. But the PaaS solution lets you extend the capabilities of the product, and you get real-time accurate information just as if it was yours. So we're pretty proud of offering that capability, right?
And to be clear, we still do use PCRS, the majority of the features within it. To process our claims, we are in PCRS using their claims administration tool for the most part. But we do things like we have an online claims tool, so our repair facilities can log into one of our tools, submit a claim online, so it is a different system, and then it just flows into PCRS.
And so, the biggest thing, when people talk, because we wanted this to be a real discussion, when people talk about cost. I think the biggest cost is a dealer wants to do something and you can't get it to them that day. So the thing I'm really proud of is that, the opportunity cost when you have a package and you want to do something new, hopefully the feature's already there and you can launch that product. So with our system, they can design and launch a product that day if they wanted to. It might take a week or two, but they don't have to call PCMI to do anything. And then with the PaaS solution, if they want to have something on top, they're able to change that as fast as they want, right? So I sort of look at those as, real benefits.